Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you're new here. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY crochet hair using the Jamaican Bounce hair. I got this hair from my local beauty supply store. I got it in the 26-inch length in the color 1B. And if I sound stuffy, it's because I am. I do have a cold, but I did want to do this voiceover for this video so I can get this video out to you guys. And if you're wondering, I did get this crochet hook from my local beauty supply store. It was about $2 or $3, so it was really inexpensive. If you're wondering, I did get these clips from my local Sally's Beauty Supply. So I'm gonna start out, I just rinsed some product that I had in my hair. I rinsed it out. So I'm gonna start with my braid pattern. I'm gonna leave hair out, so I'm gonna have some leave out right around the perimeter of my head. And then that way I can just flat twist that at night so it can blend better with the hair, which you'll see. So it's up to you how much leave out you wanna do, however much you're comfortable leaving out. And since this is my first time attempting this with hair, not braids, I think this should be a good amount. And then I'm just gonna braid the rest straight to the back. So here I'm just flat twisting the sections that I parted off from the rest of my hair. I'm doing it to keep it out of the way, but I'm gonna style it that way when I get to the end too. So what I did was, with the loose piece of hair that I had, I just used bobby pins and pinned it down. And we will see how that holds up. I mean, normally I've left bobby pins in my hair for a long time and it doesn't hurt or anything, and I'll forget that I even had it in there. So I'm going to just say, yeah, that should be a good tip or a quick fix. So make sure it's all pinned down. Now we're gonna open this hair. Take it out of here. And this hair it's a kinkier texture. Oops, I just dropped one. Okay, so what I just learned is that it helps to spritz the water with hair. Since it's synthetic hair, when you're going to separate it, to put it on the crochet latch, so you just spray it and squeeze it out. I'm gonna do this a couple times. Help when you're separating, so you don't lose, it's not frizzy when you're separating it. Just learned that, because I was like, no, there has to be a way to separate this hair without it looking crazy. So I just figured that out. So I'm gonna do 4 more across here. I think that should be good. And then I'm gonna do these smaller individuals for the very top perimeter here. Okay, here I'm just spritzing the hair with water. I'm getting ready to separate and fluff the curls out just so it looks a little bit more natural and not so tightly curled. Okay, so I'm just braiding up the leave out or twisting up the leave out I have. I just put a little bit of this Maui conditioner on it. So once that dries tomorrow with the hair, it'll look very blended in. Okay, and this is the final result. I did end up cutting it into a few layers because it was a little long in the back, but this is how it turned out. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you next week, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video too if you think it'll help somebody who's looking for a style like this.